Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Question related to the inter. Example 3 of exercise 1.2. Example number 3. If g tends to R, means g of x or g of what is a function tends to R, be defined by g of x is equal to 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x is less than 0. Where x belongs to R, then draw the graph of g. Then draw the graph of g. Okay, this is the question. Solution. ग्राफ निकालने के लिए हमें x और y से रिलेटेड वैल्यू होना चाहिए, मीन्स डोमेन एंड रेंज के लिए वैल्यू होने चाहिए. तो इस वजह से g of x is given as 1, 0, minus 1, means the range of the function is 1, 0, minus 1. 1 if x is greater than 0, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. तो इस वजह से अगर हम डोमेन एंड रेंज निकालें तो suppose this is a x, this is a y. X is greater than 0, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. X and y. X is 0, y is 0. X is 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. X is 3, y is 1. X is 4, y is 1. Because if we select x greater than 0, then y will remain 1. Range will remain 1. x के वैल्यूज़ अगर 0 से हम बड़े सिलेक्ट करेंगे तो y 1 ही रहेंगे. ओके. अगर x के वैल्यू 0 से लेस होंगे, कम होंगे, तो y माइनस 1 होगी. तो x इज़ माइनस 1, y इज़ माइनस 1, x इज़ माइनस 2, y इज़ माइनस 1, x इज़ माइनस 3, y इज़ माइनस 1, x इज़ माइनस 4, y इज़ also minus 1. So, being the set of integers, x being the set of integers, अगर हम तस्वीर करें x को सेट ऑफ इंटीजर्स हैं, तो y के जो वैल्यूज़ होंगे वो -1, 1 और 0 ही होंगे. ओके. नाउ if we draw the graph, this is origin 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y is forever 1. Okay. Now x0, y0. x1, y1. So x1, y1. This is a location of the point x1, y1. x2, y1. This is x3, y also 1. x4, y1. Okay. And x is minus 1, means left side. Then y is minus 1. This is y. If x is minus 2, y is minus 1. X is minus 3, y is minus 1. X is minus 4, y is minus 1. So means this graph will touch the negative y-axis and this line will touch the positive y-axis. Okay, this is the required graph. Which is the required graph. Okay. Example 4. Example 4 is, consider the function h tends to r minus 0 to r. Means h tends to r, but r should not be equal to 0. r को कभी भी 0 तस्वर ना करें. Given by h of x is equal to 1 upon x for all non-zero x in R. For all non-zero x in R, note that this function is not defined as x is equal to 0. Then draw the graph of the function. Draw the graph of the function. Okay. Solution. Given function is h of x is equal to 1 upon x. We have the graph with respect to x and y. So here we consider h of x just like other way y. So let y is equal to 1 upon x. So we didn't consider the x just like other 0. If we consider the x is equal to 0, the y will be infinity, which cannot be defined. X, y. Okay. X plus minus 1, y is plus minus 1. X is plus minus 2, y is plus minus 1 upon 2. X is plus minus 1 upon 2, y is plus minus 2. X is plus minus 1 upon 4, y is plus minus 4. Similarly, x is plus minus 4, y is plus minus 1 upon 4. So, these are the indicated points. So, if we draw the x plane for x-axis and y-axis, this is x-axis, y-axis, minus x-axis and minus y-axis. So we cannot consider x just like the 0. X 1, 2, 4. Suppose 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here also minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So if x is plus 1, y is plus 1. This is a point. X is plus 1, y is plus 1. X is minus 1, y is minus 1. This is a point. Okay. X is 2, y is 1 upon 2. X is 2, this is y 1 upon 2. So here is the point. X is 2, y is 1 upon 2. X is minus 2, y is minus 1 upon 2. This is the point. X is 1 upon 2 positive. This is. Y is 2 positive. This is. X is minus 1 upon 2 negative. This is. Y is minus 1, minus 2 negative. This is. This is the location. Okay. X is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 means this is half, this is here. X is 1 upon 4, y is 4. And x is minus 1 upon 4, this is y is minus 4. This is the point. Okay. X positive 4, y 1 upon 4. x is minus 4, y minus 1 upon 4. So required graph is, these are the location of points. So this is a required graph, which is the required graph for y is equal to 1 upon x. Exercise 1.2. Exercise, question number 1. Let f tends to R to R be defined by f of x is equal to minus mod of x. X belongs to R. Okay. Represent f in the form of a graph, and also draw its sketch. Solution. For the requirement of the graph, we need the range and the domain. F of x is given as minus mod of x. So let y is equal to minus mod of x. It implies that x, y. If x 0, then y 0. Okay. If x is plus minus 1, x is positive 1 or minus 1, but y should be minus 1. If x is plus minus 2, y is minus 2. If x is plus minus 3, y is minus 3. If x is plus minus 4, y is minus 4. Because the absolute value is x and its declaration is negative x. x का वैल्यू अगर नेगेटिव होगा या पॉजिटिव होगा, लेकिन y के लिए वो नेगेटिव ही होगा. ओके. नाउ required graph will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, also 1, 3, 4. X is 0, y is 0. Okay. X is plus 1, y is minus 1. Okay, this is x is minus 1. Y also minus 1. X plus 2, y minus 2. x is plus 2, y is minus 2. X minus 2, y is also minus 2. X is plus 3, y is minus 3. X is minus 3, y is also minus 3. X is 4, y is 4. Y is minus 4. X is minus 4, y is also minus 4. So this is the required graph. For y is equal to minus mod f(x), or for f of x is minus mod of x. Second is, suppose that if tends to R is the function such that f of x is equal to twice mod of x for all x in R. Draw the graph of f. Solution. F of x is equal to mod of 2x. For draw of the graph, we make the relation of equality with respect to x and y. So let y is equal to twice of mod x. The requirement elements for the graph will be, ग्राफ के लिए हमें x और y के वैल्यू होने चाहिए. दिस इज x, दिस इज y. सपोज x 0, the declaration of y is also 0. X is plus minus 1, y is remain same. X plus minus 2, y will remain 4. X plus minus 3, y will remain 2 3 the 6. X plus minus 4, y will remain 8. Means either x negative or x positive, but the declaration will be for y will be also positive. क्योंकि मॉड वैल्यू एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू चाहिए, हमें नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव कंडीशन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, हमें इसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होना चाहिए. इसका वैल्यू अगर नेगेटिव होगा या इसका वैल्यू पॉजिटिव होगा, एक्स का वैल्यू, हमें वाई के लिए हमें सिर्फ उसका एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू होना चाहिए, डिटर्मिनेंट वैल्यू होना चाहिए जो पॉजिटिव डिक्लेरेशन होगी. सो this will be 0. Y is still till 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. X 1 2 3 4. -1 -2 -3 -4. Okay. If x is 0, y is 0. This is. If x is 1, y is 2. This is point. X is -1, y is 2 also. x2, y4. X -2, y4. x3 y6, x minus 3 y also 6, x4 y8, x minus 4 y plus 8. So these are the location of points. Required graph is just like V-type graph. F of x is the mod of 2x, which is the required graph. Okay. Question number 3. A function f from R to R is given by f of x is equal to mod of x upon x when x cannot be equal to 0 and 0 when x is equal to 0. Okay. As f of x also mod x upon x, it's given. Let y is equal to mod x upon x. It implies that the value of y will be, so this is x, this is y, x0, y0, it's given condition. Okay. X is plus minus 1. Y is also plus minus 1. X is plus minus 2. Y is plus minus 1. X is plus minus 3. Y will be plus minus 1. X is plus minus 4. Y is plus minus 1. If we select x is equal to 4, y depend 4 upon 4 means 1. Positive 4, positive 1, negative 4, negative 1. So required graph will be just like as origin 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1. So x0, y0, x plus 1, y plus 1, this is a point. X minus 1, y minus 1. X plus 2, x plus 2, y1. X minus 1, y minus 1. Plus 3, 1, minus 3, minus 1. x4, y1 plus x minus 4, y minus 1. So this will be also, this is the graph. Same graph, previous one. So this is y is equal to mod x upon x, which is the required graph. Okay, now next topic is sequence. what is the sequence? If the expounding of the number it's according to a particular way or according to a system is called a sequence. अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को लिखें, उस लिखने का कोई ना कोई सिस्टम हो, तरीका हो, तो उसको हम सीक्वेंस कहेंगे. यानी हिकु नंबर खां पोइ ॿियो छो थो अचे, ॿिए खां पोइ टियों कीअं थो अचे, टिएं खां पोइ कहिड़ो ईंदो, चोथों. जेकॾहिं लिखण खे, नंबर खे लिखण जो को तरीक़ो आहे त पोइ सीक्वेंस आहे. जेकॾहिं नंबर खे लिखण जो को तरीक़ो न आहे त पोइ सीक्वेंस न आहे. एन ordered set of numbers which formed according to a particular system or definite way is called sequence. For example, you can say that denoted by an. If an is equal to 2n minus 3, now 2n minus 3 is the general term for the sequence, then term 1 will be a1 will be 2 into 1 minus 3, which will be 2 minus 3, which will be is equal to minus 1. Means term 1 of the sequence is minus 1. Term 2 is equal to a2 is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 is equal to plus 1. Term 2 which will be a2 which will be 2, term 3 which will be a3 which will be 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 6 minus 3, which will be according to calculation it will be 3. I term 4 is equal to a4 which will be is equal to 2 into 4 minus 3 which will be is equal to 8 minus 3 also which is equal to 5. Therefore minus 1, 1, 3, 5, etc. are the terms of the sequence whose general term is an is equal to 2n minus 3. Now, example is find the limit of the sequence an where an is equal to 4n square upon n square minus 3n plus 2. Solution: given that an is equal to 4n square upon 3n plus 2, taking n as a common, n को common निकालने से n square as a common remaining is 4 upon Here n square is a common. Remaining here will be 1 minus 3 upon n plus 2 upon n square. When we multiply the n square with the respect to the same terms, this will be n square into 1 n square into 3 upon n 3n, n square 2 upon n square cancel, remaining will be 2. Here n square is cancelled. So n is equal to 4 upon 1 minus 3 upon n plus 2 upon n square. The question is, find the limit of the sequence. Limit means n tends to infinity. So limit n tends to infinity an is equal to 4 upon 1 minus 3 upon infinity plus 2 upon infinity square. When the divisor is infinity, the result is 0. So this will be 4 upon 1 minus 0 plus 0 is equal to 4. So therefore limit n tends to infinity 4n square upon n square 3n plus 2 is equal to 4, which is answer. MCQ. How we can find out the MCQ? If an is equal to 8n cube plus 9h square plus 5n minus 1 upon 12n cube minus 7n square minus 3n plus 2, then limit n tends to infinity an is equal to what? A is the option. A is the option is 9 upon 7. B is the option. B is the option 2 upon 3. C is the option minus 2 upon 3. D is the option 3 upon 2. So these are the options. So be careful that if the expression is rational, means just like a P upon Q form, then the coefficient of the highest term के कोफिशिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो आंसर होते हैं, वो लिमिट के आंसर होते हैं. हाईएस्ट पावर वेरिएबल जा जेके कोफिशिएंट थींदा आहिनि उहे आंसर थींदा आहिनि जेकॾहिं तव्हां जो रिज़ल्ट यानी लिमिट इन्फिनिटी हुजे त. हाणे हिते ॾिसंदव त तव्हां जो हाईएस्ट कोफिशिएंट आहे, हाईएस्ट वेरिएबल जो कोफिशिएंट मथे 8 आहे, हे 8, हेठि 12 आहे, हाईएस्ट क्यूब 12, त जवाब थींदो 2 चौक 8 3 चौक 12, 2 भाङे 3 इज़ द